video is something somewhere in Japan.
Wow. Okay.
Every Japanese person who wants immigrants out of Japan, I just want to say कि यहाँ से मेरे बाल start और यहाँ पे मेरा पैर खत्म और ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक इतनी भी जगह से सॉरी निकल जाए तो मेरा नाम बदल दिया.
First podcast episode 1 and we are cancelled.
सबसे पहले फोटोबूथ में ये करना होता है. सबसे पहले फोटोबूथ में करना होता है मेकअप. I want to get married.
Let's go. देखो guys, इसने दो बैक.
अच्छा खेल रहे हैं भाई.
Hello guys, welcome to Nandini's YouTube video. And today we are having a creators meet.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I have very famous Vex scholar students with me who are we have Jay Japan and Mishu. I've been in Japan for 1 year. I'm a software engineer and I work in Shibuya.
I've been living in Japan for 3.5 years now. I came in as a MEC scholar and I'm doing my PhD from Kyoto University.
I also came to Japan like 3.5 years ago. I did my masters from University of Tokyo and now I'm working in Tokyo in a bank.
Let's start with the MEXT scholarship journey because I've been getting a lot of questions recently. Right now, the situation with MEXT scholarship is the people who were supposed to be selected, they are finally selected. Yay! Congratulations to all those people who are selected for MEXT scholarship. Now they have to go through that process of where they will get the college. Now I didn't know that you get selected for the scholarship first and then you get that college because I thought that first you apply for the college and then you get the scholarship along with it. So what's this process like? Can you explain chronologically?
Go for it.
So, MEC scholarship has both the processes. The first one that you mentioned, that where you get into the scholarship and then decide which college you want to go for, is basically the embassy track, where you kind of like choose what topic you want to study, give a list of 3 universities you want to study at, like your top 3 options, and then if you're selected, then you apply in one of the 3, and then they kind of help you to choose one college. And the other one is the university track, which is basically you directly apply to the university, and if the university accepts you as a MEC scholar, because each university has a quota for MEC scholar, they have to accept students. You can apply both ways.
Which track did you follow?
Embassy track.
Embassy
Applied
track.
to
And
the
you?
embassy.
Embassy track. We just came back from the JASO
JASO Language Center. So if you get the scholarship for College of Technology, so you spend 1 year in this place studying Japanese.
Yeah, we just saw that place. It's basically a hostel. It's a language school, like he said. You're supposed to attend that school before you become the MEC scholar.
No, you become the MEC scholar. You come to Japan. You spend 1 year learning the language, and then you go to your university or wherever you are supposed to go.
So MEC scholarship has, like, you can be a MEC scholar based on different criteria. So you can be an UG student, you can enter as a College of Technology student, COT. So if you get into COT, then you come to this building, the JASO Language School, learn Japanese for 1 year, stay here, and then go to whichever university of your specialization.
It's a nice building. They have a basketball court and they have a common community hall area. What's the craziest memory here?
I don't remember.
No, JASO is very amazing. When I used to study here, it was very lenient, so we used to like break rules all the time. We were not allowed to go into each other's rooms. So like girls are on the 1st and the 2nd floor and boys are on the 3rd and the 4th floor. But I think after us, they kind of made a lot of changes to their existing rules. So it's a bit more stricter now, but yeah, it was definitely the best time of my life in Japan.
What are your future plans?
For now, like, I still have 1.5 years to complete my PhD. So I'll graduate in 2027. As of now, I don't have any plans yet. Like, I could be anywhere, somewhere in Japan. I could join as an IT person, or I don't know. Like, I don't know. I haven't decided yet.
Okay.
Move to a different country, maybe.
But yeah, recruiters, watch out.
Yeah, so watch out for this tornado that is coming your way.
Someone who's so indecisive doesn't know where she wants to go. What about you? You're already working.
My future plans, I want to get married. Probably.
So cute and unexpected.
Yeah, probably. I mean, that's the next plan for almost everyone, right? Yeah.
Can't relate.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get married and have like 2 little kids or something.
Like Jay's answer is the proof that in life you just, even though you are chasing your goals and being ambitious, it's good to have other plans like grow in your personal life
I
as
also
well.
want to open a potato farm.
Ooh.
So like,
Where?
Yeah, in anywhere. But yeah, I like potatoes, so probably.
Anywhere, मतलब in Japan or in
In India.
क्या मेरे को पॉडकास्ट करने का मन था।
Do you record
podcast करना है क्या?
I
Comfortable
want to host a podcast, but I need someone to
Edit.
I can edit it. What's your podcast topic going to be about?
Just talking about life and what's up in the nation, outside the nation.
I think you would be a good podcaster. You have that vibe.
But I think I'll be the only one talking. That's the problem because podcast should be
She knows कैसी information interesting लगेगी लोगों को सुनने के लिए.
we did create a video together. मेरा idea
Which we
था.
never uploaded.
That's exactly the problem because I never get to edit it.
Every Japanese person who wants immigrants out of Japan, I just want to say कि यहाँ से मेरे बाल start और यहाँ पे मेरा पैर खत्म और ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक इतनी सी भी जगह से सॉरी निकल जाएगा तो मेरा नाम उधर दिया.
I don't think anybody would care.
Yeah, we just get hate comments like just go die. ऐसे comments मिलेंगे हमें है ना?
Yeah, which we get anyway, so it's okay.
Sorry. Yeah. Nandini, what do you think? What's the toughest part of being a person who bears their life out on social media, like recording?
कोई tough part नहीं है. I mean, hate is you have to be prepared for the hate. You are going to get it क्योंकि internet का access ऐसे लोगों के पास भी है जिनके पास नहीं होना चाहिए. So you can't control it. So you have to be mentally prepared. Tough part लगता है हमारी side से कि we have to have the consistency, time, energy to post every day.
Part of being a creator.
बोलना है.
हमें तो कुछ tough नहीं लगता.
अच्छा, is this what's the context of the video? You can pause it for a minute.
Just anything, anywhere. The title of this video is something somewhere in Japan.
Wow. Okay.
Toughest part of being in Japan. What's the toughest part of being in Japan for you?
Being consistent in terms of maintaining a social life, being okay with where you are at that point of time. You should be. Sometimes there are days when I socialize with 200 people in like 2 days straight, and then there are days where I go weeks without meeting people. So to be okay with both, I think that's and to mind your own business, which is really hard being an Indian. है ना? अपने काम से मतलब नहीं रख सकते हम.
Hard to mind our own business.
Yeah.
What about you?
क्या मुझे ऐसे कुछ टफ लगता ही नहीं है टू बी ऑनेस्ट. मुझसे भी रिसेंटली किसी ने पूछा भी था.
Boring.
Boring?
He is just too good.
Yeah, I actually, if I would find it tough, I would not be here. I would
ये
just leave.
ऐसे हिलाएंगे तो वीडियो चल ठीक है.
अच्छा, तो you leave anything that the moment you find it tough.
Yeah, I don't suffer without any reason. If I'm suffering, there would be a reason behind it, and I don't. This is not suffering.
We are at the photo booth and today we are going to show you how to take a photo at a photo booth. When you pay.
Onegai shimasu.
Make the best photo booth in Japan video.
बनाओ ना सर.
आओ, आज मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ जापान का सबसे अच्छा फोटो बूथ
दिखाओ.
with
Me.
and
Me. Vishu.
yeah both of them and I'm nobody.
Taras.
तो सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए कि फोटो बूथ है क्या. सबसे पहले फोटो बूथ में ये करना होता है. सबसे पहले फोटो बूथ में करना होता है मेकअप. क्योंकि आप करते हुए देख रहे हो ये लड़कियां करती हैं. लड़के जो होते हैं वो नेचुरली गुड लुकिंग होते हैं. ठीक है, तो हमको जरूरत पड़ती है
लड़कों को दिखता नहीं है.
लड़कियां जो 1-1.5 घंटा लगाएंगी तो हम वेट करते हैं 1-1.5 घंटे बाद रिकॉर्ड करेंगे.
हम 1-1.5 घंटा बाद पहुंचते हैं जगह पे. चलो हम आते हैं. और
उसके बाद फिर first of all we decide what to wear. ठीक है, तो for example you will wear this और decide what to कौन सा चश्मा चाहिए आपको. You can wear this and और भी आप कुछ भी लगा सकते हो basically. और इसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, बस शीशे के आगे खड़ा हो जाना है.
और जो सुंदर होते हैं उनको कुछ लगाने की जरूरत नहीं होती. वो ऐसी फोटो और क्या करते हैं हम, और क्या करते हैं? और पैसे नहीं डालते, ऐसे ही फोटो डालते हैं ना।
पहले हम चश्मा डिसाइड करते हैं दो अब हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि हमको कौन सा फोटो बूथ बनाना है.
Oh my god, my crown. Thank you. Queen moment. Thank you. Oh wow.
Then we have different types of photo booths. So this
इसमें तो lift है.
is a lift style photo booth.
What the hell?
Basically वो कैमरा है. ला.
यहाँ पे लोगों का favorite pose क्या है?
डिपेंड करता है किसके साथ आए हो. अगर हम अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ आए हो, दोस्तों के साथ आए हो, तो उस पर फेवरेट पोज बहुत वेरी करता है.
So now when we are going to take a picture at the photo booth, तो हमें poses decide करनी है, ठीक है? और हम जो decide करते हैं वो हम बिल्कुल भी उसको यूज नहीं करते pose में, हम कुछ और ही करते हैं. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी लिफ्ट वाली है, ठीक है? और जो कैमरा है वो एकदम टॉप शॉट है. So you make sure that your hairline, receding hairline is not seen. So you kind of like fix your hair.
I mean, we can still see it. So.
Shut up. You were talking.
We can still see it. Try again.
You were talking. ठीक है. So आइए हमारे साथ.
Let's go.
Just look at sample
Pictures.
pictures which you can do. You know, like for suggestions.
Crazy poses. Oh my god.
This is my pose.
Hi.
Pose.
Moshe Okagoyana. Oh shit! I can't believe I ruined your photo.
तो सेलेक्ट करना है. 1 2
Sound so self-assured when you talk about
फ्लाइट मोड.
all the things you're gonna do.
No, don't go for lavender.
You gon' let the world make your dreams come true. What a shame I fooled you twice. Bet you think you know it all. Think you had your back against the wall. Now it's time to get your pay. Never, never.
Oh, I have another phone.
Oh, ऐसे खुलता है.
Oh, great. Oh. Something. हमारा different है.
चलो पहला ट्रांसलेट करते हैं. किसको बांधना पड़ेगा पता नहीं किसका.
नहीं मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही.
वो होता है ना डाई खिंची और करके.
Let's finally take a look at it. It's dark. It's a good place to go. Ultimately, alien. What is this translation? Try yours.
ये कौन सा है जो पोएट्री बता रहा है? ये क्या है ये?
The people who hit this fortune telling are frightened.
They may be in the middle of the day, but it's not a big deal. But I can't. क्या बकवास है ये?
से पता नहीं चल रहा है कि अच्छा भी है कि नहीं. फोटो
चैट जीपीटी को भेज दें.
yes, good idea.
So there was this old man, Japanese man, who could speak English. He came up to me and he said that if you are getting bad luck, that's a good thing because there's hope for improvement. If you get good luck, then you're gonna get bad luck soon. So if you're getting bad luck, means आगे there are good days ahead. I was like, oh my god,
Big brain time.
big brain energy. And that's why now I'm okay with any kind of luck. So now, my mixed luck, I'm gonna tie it off here, so that because I don't really have to do anything, I'll just have to let things happen. So here's to 2025.
Bye bye bad luck.
Bye.